So this video is about this comment on my video aura. So in this video I have a aura and I'm animating that texture in materials basically using panner. So he's asking me about if is there a way to slightly slow down the turbulence of fire, or is that a big frames book texture sequence thing in Unreal Engine that can't be changed. So if you're asking about the material, because I don't have much turbulence in the particle, so it's just about the moving textures and turbulence in the material. So I'm I'm taking it like he's asking about my material. So yes, we can slightly slow down that, and there's a way to do that. So basically, if you have a material and you have like any texture like this noise, and I'll take this much, it will be much more visible. And if you have a panel here, basically this is the speed like 0.2. So this is the slow speed. You can make it faster, you can make it slower. And if you want to use that in particle system, you can take the dynamic parameter, and this is two vectors, so you need two vectors here. Or there's another way that I always use. I use time multiply and using a vector and then connect it here. So this node will be multiplied to your default speed. So if I just increase it like 5, it will be multiply 5, so it will be 1. Okay, so 5 multiply 0.2 is equal to 1. So now you can adjust that here. So basically I'll show you how this work and what is the cons and pros of using this. So if I save this and I'll go to my particle system, and let's just open this, and I'll use that material here. And what I'll do, basically I'll remove all these and I'll make the direct life 1. I don't need mass, size maybe 100 and unset, and I'll just use the velocity like not offset, velocity on maybe x 100, not the y, or maybe 300 and small like maybe 5. So basically you can see particle moving from here to there, right to left, and all has the same speed. You can use the dynamic parameter, and this speed is gone because by default 0. You can make it 1, you can make it 5, it will be speed up. You can randomize it, so it's 0 to 1. Some particle moving, some not. You can make it negative. Some particle will move down, some will up. You can increase like -1 +5. Now you can see that. But if you want to like slightly slow down our life, if you put a curve here, so there will be issue. You cannot use a curve when you have a time here. Okay, let's try if we can use the curve if we directly using the speed. So I'll just delete this time and I'll take the append vector and I'll connect it here. We want my x 0 and we want to just animate our y. So this is just the y direction. By default is taking 5, I'll come 2. So now we are using directly speed, not the time. And let's see if we can change the, if we can use the curve now. Let it save. So the same issue with the curve, but without curve, you can just use it like the time. So you can just randomize it like 5 minus 5. So it's the same thing. So if you want to use a curve, you want this animation to slow down our life, what you can do, a third method, you can just avoid this panel and just take the texture coordinate and add this thing into here. Okay, save it again. We are just now adding one value on this. So now when we have this random value, it will just offset it randomly, because see now they all look same. We can offset little bit like 0.5, they are little move up. You can randomize it like 0 and 1, so they are randomly offsetted, but they are not animating. So now they will only animate through a curve. See? And now you can just make it slow down. So if you want to, like, you can do this. And now you will notice they are moving faster here and almost not here. So this is how you can animate the speed of pen in through the curve in Niagara if you are using this app. Hopefully this will clear your question in the comment. And if you are asking me about not the material, just the turbulence of particle, you can slow that down. So basically, if you have particles and you have like velocity like 100, and you have curl noise, which is turbulence like 100, and we have animated. So this is turbulence, and you can slow it down with the noise strength. So this is the strength right now. You can increase it more, you can decrease it down. So basically, and you can also increase the drag if you want to slow it down. So this is the method. If you want your turbulence of particles to slow down, you can do that here. If that is about material, I have already cleared. So thanks for like watching this video. Thanks for comment. I hope this will helpful for you.